Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about magnetic contactor. This is magnetic relay main terminal. European standard for magnetic contactor. Sa input is REST. Sa output is UBW for European standard. For American standard, magnetic contactor, terminal 1, 2, 3, input. Ang output is 4, 5, and 6. Output. This is a wiring diagram of multi-story fire alarm. This is line 1. This is line 2. This is our contactor. Contactor 1. Contactor 2. Contactor 3. We are using this one R and T only. R and T and R and T and UW and UW sa first and second and third contactor. This is switch. Safety switch. This is push button 1 para sa contactor 1. Then this one on switch. If we push the push button 1, energize, then mag-energize yung contactor, magko-close to, umilaw yung lamp 1, indicator light lamp, then mag-energize to, magko-close to, then tumunog yung buzzer 1, 2, 3. Itong contactor 2 and 3 hindi pa gumagana guys dahil hindi pa naka-energize natin yung push button sa contactor 2 o sa contactor 3. Then off. Wala tayong push button, stop push button only, start push button only guys. Ito yung holding contact niya para umilaw tong ilaw. Tapos ito dito guys, magko-close to dito, identity na gumagana na ang yung contactor number 1 natin. Tapos tumunog yung buzzer, magko-close yung 1. Patayin natin sa switch guys, back off, mamamatay, de-energize yung contactor natin. Then una na natin balik switch, then on natin push button contactor number 2, pag gumana push button contactor gumagana, ngayon ko close diya ilaw, then gumagana yung contactor natin, contactor number 2, then magko-close, then tumunog yung buzzer. Then malalaman na dito sa second stage na may problema doon. Identify natin ang trouble fire alarm dahil na-energize yung push button identity for the second floor. Then off. Then if may trouble sa third floor guys, pag on niya sa push button, on niya, gumagana to contactor, then magko-close, may umiilaw sa indicator lamp, then magko-close to, magbabuzzer pati to dito sa contactor number 3, nag-energize na, magko-close siya, then malalaman na sa third floor na may problema doon na may trouble doon. Then off dito, patay di energize. Tutunog yung mga buzzer. Pag i-on yung 2, nandito yung line 1 natin. Connected siya into series sa contactor 1, 2, 3 ang lahat ng R. Then ang lahat ng T naka-series for line 2, RT, RT, RT. Then ang U naka-connect siya sa mga U also sa buzzer. UW. Ang W also naka-connect sa series sa lahat ng terminal W. Series parallel siya sa buzzer. Bible verse of the day. Revelation 21 verse 8. But the purple and unbelieving and the abominable and murderers and warmongers and sorcerers and idolaters and all liars shall have their part in the lake which burneth with fire and brimstone, which is the second death. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.